Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, now a lot of you guys were asking me to make a detailed video explaining everything on how to start and execute future trades. Now, if you are following me on my Telegram channel, then you would have noticed that I keep sharing this type of profit cards here and there. So these profit cards are nothing but profits that are generated on future trades. So on my Telegram channel, I keep on sharing these type of future trade signals. So this signal will tell you at what price you should open the trade, how much leverage you should select, how much funds you should use, at what price you should do DCA, and there's so many other things. Now I know that many of you might be new to futures trading and you might not understand the signals that I share on my Telegram channel. And yes guys, in case if you're not following me on my Telegram channel, then do follow me there because I keep sharing future trade signals such as this. Recently, I shared 3 BTC long-term trades, and those trades are sitting at plus 2000% profit. So don't miss out those signals. So do follow me there, okay? My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. So yes, guys, in this video, I'll show you how to properly execute future trade signals, and I'll also show you how to properly use the signals that I share on my Telegram channel. I'll explain everything from A to Z. So do watch the video till the end. Okay, guys. Now, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay, now the first step is you should select on which crypto exchange you wanna start your future trades. So if you ask me, right now I personally use Bybit exchange. Bybit is one of the most trusted and biggest exchange after Binance. Bybit exchange is also simple and easy to use, and the interface is user friendly, and this exchange is specially built for future trades. You can also hold your crypto on this exchange for long term, okay? There's nothing to worry, and you can also do your spot trading here. So yes guys, in the description of this video I've given the Bybit exchange link. So just click on that link and create your account on Bybit. Okay, now once you come onto your Bybit account, you'll get an interface just like this. Now at the right lower corner, you'll find the asset option. So click on that. Now here the first step is you should deposit USDT onto your Bybit account. Either you can transfer USDT from other exchange to your Bybit account, or you can buy USDT through P2P. In case if you wanna buy USDT through UPI method, then you can also do that. I've already made a video on this and it's on my channel. I'll leave that video link in the description of this video, okay? So do check it out. Okay, now once you add USDT to your Bybit account, it will be displayed here under the spot wallet. So to carry out future trades, you should have USDT on your derivatives account. So on my derivatives wallet, I have 0 USDT. So to add funds on derivatives wallet, just go back. Here you will find an option called transfer. Click on this. Now click on this option and select the spot account. So here I'm sending a USDT from spot account to derivatives account. Now click on this and select USDT. Here enter how much USDT you want to transfer and click on the transfer option. Now I'll click on derivatives. Yes, the 22 USDT which I transferred is reflecting here. Okay, now let's start trading on futures. Now down below in the middle you'll find an option called derivatives. So click on that. So this is where you carry out all your future trades, okay? Now at the top, you have this chats option. So whichever coin you select for trading, you can check that coins graph here. Now for example, I'll select Ethereum coin. So you can see Ethereum chat here. Okay, now let's assume that you want to trade on Bitcoin. So to select the coin of your choice, click on this option, enter BTC, click on BTC. Now here you'll find an option called isolated. So click on this. Now again you'll have two options here, isolated mode and cross mode. Okay, now what is this isolated mode? Now assume that you have $100 on your derivatives account and you used 20 USDT on a BTC trade. In case if this BTC trade gets liquidated, then you lose only this 20 USDT and the remaining 80 USDT on your futures wallet will not be affected. Now if you select cross mode and if you put $20 on a trade, then in case if the market crashes heavily, then all your amount like 20 USDT here on this trade and the remaining 80 USDT on your wallet both will get liquidated. So on cross mode, if you put $20 on a BTC trade and with 10x leverage, then your liquidation price will be very far, like at $15,000 something. But on isolated mode, if you put $20 on BTC trade and if your entry is anywhere between $25,000, then your liquidation price will be at somewhere around $22,500. So if you properly use the cross mode, then you won't get liquidated. Okay, now I'll go with isolated mode, and the next thing is you should select leverage. Guys, you can select leverage between 1x to 100x leverage. I'll explain this later, okay? So I'll select 10x leverage and I'll click on save. Now here if you click on this, you'll get three options: limit, market, and conditional. So if you select the limit option, now assume that BTC is trading at $22,400. You can set the limit to $27,000, and when BTC drops and touches your price of $27,000, then your trade will get executed. Now if you select the second option, the market option, then the trade will get executed at the market price. So the market option will let you execute the trade instantly. Now you can drag this and select how much funds you wanna use on this trade. Now I'll explain how the leverage works. Here I selected 19 USDT. Okay, so under 10x leverage, your trading value is at 191 USDT, which is 10 times more than your investment. So if I put 50%, which is 8.3 USDT, and if I go with 10x leverage, then the trading value, or you will be trading using 82 USDT investment. And 100x leverage, if I put 10.7 USDT, then you will be trading with 959 USDT. So your investment is multiplied or leveraged 100 times more. Guys, remember that higher leverage comes with higher risk. Guys, just go with 5x to 10x leverage. Okay, in case if you're confident, then you can go with maximum 20x leverage. In case if you go more than that, then the chances of your trade getting liquidated will be very high. Now to set your TP or SL, just click on this option. So TP is nothing but take profit. Now assume that you opened an BTC trade at $27,500. So you can set the TP at $28,500. Once BTC price touches your TP price, automatically the trade will be closed and your profits will be booked. And you can also select how much percentage of your trade you wanna close. Now SL stands for stop loss. By using the stop loss option, you can minimize your losses. Now assume that you opened a BTC trade at $27,400. So you can set the stop loss at $27,000. So if the BTC price drops and touches your stop loss price, the trade will get closed automatically. Now here you have two options, buy long and sell short. So here you should predict whether the price of that coin will pump or dump. If you think the price will pump, then select the long option. And if you think the price will crash, then select the sell option. Now I'll click on long option. Click on confirm. Yes guys, here you can see that my BTC long trade is executed at the market price. Now if you want to close this trade, then click on this close option. Now select how much percentage of the trade you want to close and click on the confirm option. So yes guys, this is how you execute future trades on Bybit. Okay, now on my Telegram channel, I keep on sharing this type of future trade signals, right? Okay, now I'll show you how to execute trades by using these signals. Right now this Ethereum trade price is a little bit outdated. So I prepared the same exact signal with different price. Once you get these type of signals on Telegram, just come on to Bybit and click on derivatives. Now on my Telegram signal, I've given the Ethereum trade. So here click on this option, search for ETH. Click on ETH. Here leverage is 5x. Okay, so I'll click on the leverage option and I'll set the leverage to 5x and I'll select the isolated option. Guys, only if I tell you to select cross option on my Telegram post, then you should go with cross. If not, then just go with isolated mode. Now the next step is click on this option and select the limit option. Here I've given the first entry price at 1810 to 1770. So I'll set the price to 1790. I'll drag this and I'll select how much USDT I want to use, and in the signal I've given long. So just click on long. Click on confirm. Okay, now the order is just placed and it hasn't been executed. Once the market price touches our price, then only our order will get executed. And once the order get executed, it will show here under positions. Now I've given the second entry price at 1720. So here I'll enter 1720. I'll select how much funds to use, go long, confirm. Third entry price is 1650. So 1650, go long, confirm. Okay, now all the three trades that I set is all under order section, and once the order gets executed, it will show under position. Now what I'll do is I'll just close all these trades and I'll open three trades right now and I'll show you how it works. Okay, right now the price is trading at $1,814. So I'll set $1,815. Now within few seconds my trade will get executed. So yes guys, the Ethereum trade is running And guys, remember this entry price here, okay? Keep this in mind. Again, I'll open the second trade at 1813 and select how much funds to use. Click on long. Confirm. Third trade entry point is $1,811. Go long. Confirm. Now under position, only one trade is running, and under orders, there's two trades pending. Guys, within few minutes, even these two trades also will get executed. So yes guys, it's been few minutes and all the three trades are executed now. And guys, all the three Ethereum trades that I opened are all merged together. Guys, remember I took entry at $1,815, $1,813 and $1,811. So it all averaged out, and it's showing the entry price at $1,813. And if the Ethereum price comes down to $1,459, then this trade will get liquidated. Now in case if you want to set your stop loss or take profit, then you can do that by clicking on this set TPSL option. Okay, now sometimes on my Telegram channel I'll tell you to close 30% of the trade or close 70% of the trade, and sometimes I tell you to close completely. Guys, now how to do that? So if I tell close 25% or 30% of the trade, then just simply click on this 25% and click on confirm. In case if I tell close 50% of the trade, then just select 50% and click on confirm. In case if I tell you to close the trade completely, then just select this 100% and click on confirm. Okay guys, now I've given the Bybit link in the description of this video. So just click on that link and create an account on Bybit exchange. And guys, make sure you follow me on my Telegram channel if you want free future trade signals. Okay, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then drop that in the comment section down below. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please to drop a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Okay guys, now in case if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.